using the button below. Now that we have our cause origin set, let's go back to the studio and just give it a reload. That warning has now gone away. So we can create a new post type document, give it a title, a slug, and upload an image. We're seeing edits to draft documents in real time because we're an authenticated user in the Sanity Studio, and this template has been set up for visual editing. However, in this video, we want to focus mostly just on the live content API and how it relates to published documents. In a new private window on the left-hand side, we can see that there's still no posts published. But when I publish this document, the front end has now updated. This is the unauthenticated public experience of seeing documents change in real time. So if we make a change in the studio, we see that our preview updates, but our front end for our unauthenticated user won't update until after we hit publish. You'll notice, however, that the private window updated without having to press the refresh button. Sanity Client is how you would typically interact with Sanity content in the JavaScript application. We can see it has settings here for project ID and dataset, which are what you created when you initialized this project. The other settings are mostly to do with visual editing. If we go over to the live component, here, if we wanted to only focus on just the live content API, we would only need to send along these details. Where in this helper, we take that Sanity client and I returned a Sanity fetch helper and a Sanity live component. That Sanity live component is loaded into the root layer, and the individual post that we are viewing is fetched using this Sanity fetch helper. That combination of the Sanity live component in your root layer and using the Sanity fetch helper to query content is all you need in a Next.js application for performant real-time experiences. The same can be set up in other frameworks and front ends. It just takes a little extra work. If you want to find out more, check out the documentation.
I live at the bank, comes on comma. They pistol out, no red clips loud, you know we clutch. I stand firm with my gang, doing no niggas gon' do nothing. Like in the club with a 10mm red clip.
Tu cherches une carrière dans un secteur recherché avec un avenir assuré? Les métiers spécialisés t'offrent une formation concrète, des salaires compétitifs et des chances réelles de progresser. Compétences Québec te présente des formations rapides, abordables et débutant toute l'année. Une occasion clé en main pour t'inscrire dès maintenant. Découvre le métier qui te passionne et laisse ta marque dans ta communauté. Pour en savoir plus, visite inforoutefpt.org/ton avenir et commence à bâtir ton avenir dès aujourd'hui.
Make it ooze with